Good morning. Are you ready to go?
Good morning, Thomas.
Yes, I'm ready. Great. I'm glad the sun is out today.
Me too. Thank you for driving, by the way.
No problem at all. Happy to help.
Okay, seatbelts on. Safety first.
Always. Let's get going.
The road looks quite busy this morning.
It's a beautiful day for a drive.
Ooh, look at that sky. It's so sunny and clear.
A beautiful day for a shopping trip.
Oh, I can see the supermarket sign already.
We're almost there. I'll find a parking spot.
Perfect. There's one right there.
Nice. Let's grab a cart and go in.
I'll push the cart. You can guide us.
Deal. Let's start with the fruit section.
Oh, look at these apples. Red and shiny.
They look really fresh. Let's take some.
And bananas too, don't you think?
Yes, bananas are perfect for breakfast.
Good idea. I'll also grab some grapes.
Great choice. The cart is filling up already.
Okay, here's the milk section.
I'll take one carton. We need it every day.
And I'll get some yogurt. Good for snacks.
Oh, do you want some cheese too?
Yes. Let's take a small block. Done.
Now, do you smell that? The bakery?
That bread smells amazing.
I'm getting one loaf of whole wheat bread.
And I want some sweet rolls. They look wonderful.
We should get some drinks. Do you want tea?
Tea sounds lovely. Maybe green tea.
And you know I need my coffee.
Of course. You can't go without it. Oh, look at these cookies. They look so tasty. Okay, but not too much. We need to eat healthy.
Do we need shampoo?
Yes, and toothpaste too. Let's add both.
Done. I think we have nearly everything now.
Wait, we forgot rice.
Good catch. One bag goes in.
Now the cart is completely full.
Let's go and pay.
All done. These bags are heavy though.
Here, let me help you carry those.
Thank you so much, Thomas.
You're welcome. Let's load the car.
Ujiga. The sun is still shining. I love days like this. What?
And now we have food for the whole week.
And I'll put the milk and yogurt in the fridge.
Shopping together is always fun, isn't it?
It really is. We make a good team.
We do. Same time next week?
I'll be here. Count on it. Thank you too, Misa. It was a great morning.
네. You were so funny.